Okay, so my camera stopped working, so we're just going to go with the screen today. And we're going to do chapter 2.4 to 2.5 test review. Your test is tomorrow. And 2.4 is on multiplying integers. Remember, an integer is a positive number, negative number, or zero. And when we are multiplying them, there's some rules. Those are at the bottom of the screen. If you have an even number of negatives, your answer is going to be what? Positive. If you have an odd number of negatives, your answer is going to be negative. So the first thing we're going to do is go through all these problems, and you're going to tell me if the answer is positive or negative. Number 1.
Negative.
Good. Number 2.
Negative.
Number 3.
Positive.
Positive. Number 4. Positive. Number 5. Positive. Number 6. Negative. All right. Nice job. Now let's go back and tell me the answer to the actual problem. So 5 times 8.
40. Negative 40. Negative 40.
6 times 4.
Negative 24.
8 times 24.
192.
I said that one. It does equal to 60.
And remember, you don't have to have the plus sign or the positive sign, but it's not wrong if you have it. It's just there to remind me that I have a positive answer. Okay? How about negative 9 times negative 7?
63.
Okay, you need to wait till I say the problem.
Oh,
Not a competition.
okay.
Okay. How about 2 times 9 times 3?
54.
And 7 times 5 times 11.
Negative 385.
Thank you. All right, copy all those down, and we'll be right back with more. So this is simplifying expressions. And when we're multiplying or dividing, we can combine numbers with variables. When I see negative 4 times 3x, what I'm going to do is multiply the numbers together and then write the variable after. So what is negative 4 times 3?
12. Negative 12. X.
Negative 12, and then write the x next to it.
And if we don't write the X, is it like points off or is it?
Yeah, it'll be points off, yeah, because the x is part of it. That's a good question. So you just multiply or divide the numbers and then write the variables in A, B, C order after it, okay? So how about number 8? 7 times negative 3.
Negative 21.
Good. Negative 21, and then just write the y. And how about negative 8a
24.
times negative 3b?
80. 24.
It's going to be positive because 2 negatives make a positive, and then 24ab. Good. Good work. Okay, so dividing integers is very similar to multiplying integers. We use the same rules, so I left them at the bottom. Even negatives equals a positive answer. Odd negatives equal a negative answer. So the first thing when we go through, I only want you to tell me if it's going to be positive or negative. Okay? Don't tell me the answer. So number 10.
Positive. Positive.
Good. Hey, that's not the... Oh, yeah, that is. Never mind. Okay, number 11.
Positive.
Good. 12.
Negative.
13.
Positive. Negative.
14 is negative. Good. Nice work. Okay, so now let's go back and do the math. 88 divided by 8.
11.
How about 20 divided by 5?
4. 3.
18 divided by 6 is 3.
9.
And 36 divided by 4 is 9. Remember, fraction means divide, so just because it looks different, we're still doing the same operation. And 70 divided by 7?
10.
And 81 divided by 9?
9. Wait. Yeah, 9.
All right.